The BMW i5 is BMW's midsize electric sedan that blends executive luxury with EV tech. It's the i-brand's answer to buyers who want BMW dynamics without petrol. What's new? Changes. For 2026, BMW tightened range figures, updated software, features, and refreshed options. BMW has continued to smooth the i5's integration of electric power with classic BMW driving dynamics. Powertrain and specs. Official BMW specs list eDrive 40 and xDrive 40 variants with EPA ranges in the high 200s to 310 miles for the most efficient configurations. A Performance M variant, M60, sits above these with stronger acceleration but shorter range. These are factory-published figures from BMW's model pages. Pricing and launch. BMW's pricing places the i5 distinctly above mainstream EVs. Expect base pricing in the premium midsize sedan bracket. BMW's MSRP bands remain similar to last model years, with options and packages pushing final prices higher. Interior and exterior. Highlight BMW's high-quality cabin, drive-oriented cockpit, and understated exterior. Tech includes BMW's latest infotainment and driver assists, premium materials, and a smooth ride tuned for comfort and sport. Rivals. The i5 battles the Tesla Model S, entry, trim-dependent, Mercedes EQS, other electric executive sedans, and Audi's e-tron GT-ish sedan offerings. Pitch the i5 as the BMW-centric choice for buyers prioritizing driving feel plus EV range.